Heavy Duty Ramps presents the Step Deck Trailer Ramp and Load Leveling Kits. The full ramp configuration, consisting of lightweight aluminum ramps and ramp supports, sets up easily with one person. We offer a variety of ramp hangers to fit most trailer configurations. Options include single and double ramp hangers for both clamp-on and bolt-on installation. Ramps are first mounted to the welded skid seats at the back of your trailer and secured with pins to prevent kickouts. Locking pins secure each ramp and ramp support in their respective brackets. Next, ramps are secured to the variable height ramp supports and adjusted to optimize the loading angle. Similar to the skid seat, the ramps attach to the support stand with pins. Repeat the setup process with the second ramp to create a sturdy loading setup. The setup process for the step deck configuration is nearly identical to the loading ramp process. This configuration allows you to maximize your loading space. Simply place the loading ramps into position and slide the pins through the skid seat attachments to secure them. The load leveler configuration uses the loading ramps turned sideways, along with stake pocket supports to create sturdy, lightweight load levelers that can be chain tight for transport. Stake pocket supports slide down the end of the load leveler and into the stake pockets. The stake pocket inserts can be flipped to add about a ½ inch of play between the stakes. Dunnage and ramp brackets provide on-hand storage. And when you're ready to top off your levelers, 3 lumber clips per load leveler hold each board in place. To avoid damage to the aluminum, it's extremely important that the 18 and 20-inch wide ramps use a 5-inch wide board and the 16-inch wide ramps use a 6-inch board. We offer multiple kit options for step deck heights up to 28 inches, as well as storage systems for trailers with and without knee braces.